my low-carb kitchen. I've got another delicious low-carb recipe for you. Let's begin. Not yet, not with the pepper yet. First we're gonna do the almond flour.
No, I'm not ready.
Okay. Well, if you're gonna hold the pepper, who's gonna do this part for me? I'm not ready for the pepper yet. I'm ready to do this part.
Okay.
Can you do this part for Mama?
Uh-huh.
Okay, spin this thing right here.
I'm done.
We have a special guest in the kitchen today. Quentin is here and he is our youngest.
All right, see all that stuff in there?
Uh-huh.
Now we're gonna throw that away. Okay. Oh, not with the pepper, not yet. Not yet. Hold on. Okay, you're gonna wait? All right, I'm gonna crush these up. I did. And we pour it in here. Then we're gonna crush the rest of it up. Crush up 2 cups. 2 cups of pork rinds. Can you say pork rinds? Okay, then we're gonna pour this in. Now we have half a cup of almond flour and 2 cups of pork rinds. But it reduces down to 1 cup of pork rinds once you make it. Okay.
Mama, can I help you like this?
Then we gotta mix.
I'm doing it.
You're doing such a good job. Okay, now set this aside. All right, you ready? And we're gonna put 1/8 black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. So pour it in there. Good job. Oh,
Can I do it?
yeah. Just a minute. Then we're gonna get half teaspoon garlic powder. Okay, and then another half teaspoon because we like garlic. So put that in there. Good job. And now we're going to do the onion powder. The same thing. I'm going to put 1 whole teaspoon onion powder. Okay. Then we're going to use this stuff, the Montreal chicken seasoning. Can you say Montreal chicken seasoning? Yes, and then we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of this stuff. Hold on, let me get it for you, okay? 2 teaspoons. We're using a half a teaspoon, so we have to put 4 of them in there. Now we're gonna mix it. Mix it.
It's done.
It's done, okay. So now we set this aside over here and we get the chicken. Alright, so now we get the chicken. Don't touch it. Yeah, we're gonna put it in there, but first we're gonna marinate the chicken.
Okay.
We need some olive oil. Can you say olive oil?
That looks like water out there. So it do sounds.
It do sounds because it's oil. Yeah.
It's water sounding.
You think so?
Can I help you?
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna put 1 tablespoon. Let me pour it in here of onion powder.
No, I have to put it like this.
Okay.
Then put that.
So that's the onion powder.
Now we have to do this too.
Now we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. black pepper. Okay, then Mommy's gonna get.
No, I have to do this again.
Mommy's gonna get the lid. Oh, we forgot to put this in there. So we're gonna put this in there, the Montreal seasoning, and we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of that. Good job. Okay, so now we're gonna put the lid on there and we're gonna shake it up. Okay. So now that we have this in here, Mama's gonna shake this up.
I can't
Here,
do
I can
it.
help you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, shake.
It's too hard. I can't do it.
Okay, you did a good job. For what you could do, you did a good job.
Mama, can I mix this up again?
Yeah, okay, now we're gonna get ready to put them on the pan. Hold on 1 second with that pepper. Don't open that pepper. Okay, hold on 1
Mama,
second.
can
Okay, so now we got our chicken. We're gonna open this up. And Mommy's gonna do this part with my hands. Because my hands are clean and ready to do cooking, okay? So don't put your hands in that hole. Alright, so now we have all the chicken on there and we're going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper. Ready? Don't open up the big one. You open up the small side right here. And you just shake it. Ready? Now we're going to sprinkle a little bit more of this Montreal chicken stuff on there, okay?
Then we're gonna do this and open it.
Look at that. And now it's ready to go into the where?
Feed
Into the, no, not the freezer, into the oven.
oven. Subscribe to my mommy's YouTube.
Hey, thanks for dropping by. Subscribe to the channel for more low-carb cooking and curly hair care.